So these systems come without tips, and the reason for that is because you can reuse your factory tips if you want to. We also have 3 different selections of Borla tips. If you want to use Borla tips, you have to buy the tip kits separately. Whether you use one of the Borla choices or the factory tip, you have 2 different adjustment points here. This is a ball joint flange. This allows you to get the angle exactly how you want. It rotates so you can get the right angle. This is a slip fit flange, allows you to go in and out, get the position that you're looking for under the bumper. I mentioned that we have 3 different tip styles. This is black chrome. This is a Borla tip, it's black chrome. This is a bright chrome, kind of a regular chrome Borla tip. And then we have what we call our brawler tip, which is more of a kind of matte black finish. And this is what the brawler tip look like. So you have to purchase the Borla tip kits separately if you want to use Borla tips. It also gives you the opportunity to change them out if you want to. If you want the black chrome for a while, then you can go with the bright chrome tip if you want, or the brawler tip. And you can also reuse your factory tip. So it gives you a lot of choices as far as tip styles are concerned.